Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. Managing your business finances isn't just about recording transactions. It's about ensuring your accounting reflects the real financial picture. One of the most important habits to build is monthly bank reconciliation. If you've reached this tutorial, chances are you've already completed the previous ones, such as importing your company's opening balances for an existing business, setting up accounting for a new business. If not, you can find those tutorials on our website. They provide a solid foundation before diving into reconciliation. Just head to the free accounting tool page and click Start Tutorial to begin. You're now ready to ensure your records align with your bank statements. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through reconciling your bank account using the Bank Reconciliation tab. Once all the transactions for the month you want to reconcile have been entered in the Transactions tab, open your Excel file and go to the Reconciliation tab to begin with your business bank account. Step 1. Begin with the ending balance from the previous month's bank statement. For instance, if you're reconciling January 2025, refer to your December 2024 bank statement and use the balance dated December 31st. In cell B22, enter the ending balance from the previous month. Step 2. Enter the current month's statement balance. In lines B27, enter the amounts shown on your actual bank statement at the end of the month. These figures will be used to compare against your recorded transactions. In the example presented, the bank account balance as of December 31st, 2024 was $0, since the company was officially incorporated on January 1st, 2025. During January 2025, the total deposits recorded in the bank account in the Transactions tab amounted to $95,367.50, while the total withdrawals came to $14,700. As a result, the company's accounting shows a closing balance of $80,667.50 as of January 31st, 2025. The bank statement for the same period confirms this amount, showing a balance of $80,667.50. The balance check cell B29 indicates that there is no discrepancy between the company's accounting records and the bank statement for January 2025. Step 3. Reconcile every month. Make it a habit to reconcile your main bank account and credit card every single month. This helps catch errors early. Keep your financial reports accurate. When everything is entered correctly, the balance check should show 0, meaning your records match your bank statement perfectly. Important notes for accuracy. Account balances are calculated automatically based on the transaction dates you've entered. Every transaction must include a correctly formatted date. Account names in the Transactions tab must be selected from the drop-down menu to ensure formulas work properly. In this template, the Reconciliation tab is pre-configured to work with the account called Cash in Bank Checking. You can customize it later if you need to reconcile other accounts. Now that the basics are covered, what happens if, while reconciling January 2025, the balance check cell shows a discrepancy highlighted in red? This means there's a difference between your company's bank account and the transactions recorded in the Transactions tab. Let's walk through how to resolve it. First, double-check that all transactions for the month have been entered correctly. Make sure each entry includes the right date, the correct account name selected from the drop-down menu, and the accurate amount. You can also use the Ledger tab to review all transactions recorded for the bank account you're reconciling. Compare them with your actual bank statement to spot any missing deposits, incorrect withdrawals, or miscategorized entries. In the example shown, a $100 deposit for the purchase of shares following the company's incorporation was missing from the Transactions tab. This transaction appears on the company's bank statement but had not been recorded in the accounting file. Simply add the missing entry to ensure your records accurately reflect the bank account activity. After making the necessary corrections, head back to the Reconciliation tab. If everything matches the bank statement, the discrepancy will clear and the balance check cell will show 0, confirming your records are accurate for the month. That's how you confirm your books are in sync with your bank. Although the Reconciliation tab is currently set up for your bank account and credit card, you can create new tables to reconcile other accounts too. It's also a good idea to review other account entries by analyzing the ledger. It's recommended to periodically review the entries recorded in each account. A good practice is to go through the Ledger tab, reviewing one account at a time to ensure there are no bookkeeping errors. It's especially important to verify that expenses recorded in each expense account reflect actual business activity, since the tax treatment of certain expenses may vary. Let's walk through a quick example using two accounts, insurance and inventory, to see how this review works in practice. Insurance. We can confirm that only $2,000 was posted to this account, corresponding to the payment of the annual insurance premium paid 12 months in advance. Inventory. We can also confirm that a total of $6,000 was recorded in this account, representing the purchase of inventory during the period. This step helps ensure that only relevant transactions have been recorded in each category. If you spot a transaction that's been misclassified or entered incorrectly, simply update it in the Transactions tab so your records accurately reflect the account activity. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can keep your bank and credit card accounts in sync and your books in great shape. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, comment, or share it with other business owners who want to stay on top of their finances. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next chapter of your business journey.